What'd she say?
I didn't hear it.
We were playing golf, and I was bent over, and Paul, he's like, oh, I've got such a nice view.
Paul who?
Shot lined up, Paul Summers.
Oh.
Yeah, had the shot all lined up, was ready to go, like, oh, I've got such a nice view. And I was like, what?
Oh, just on the TV.
We're already recording, by the way.
Great, I love the fact that he's got it turned sideways.
Oh, yeah, okay, wait.
Okay.
So then we turn it sideways.
How that goes again?
Wait, what was that?
What letter was that?
What letter was that?
Okay.
Okay, K.
We have to retake this. Come on.
Is that an E?
They said
No, R.
What?
An R
Oh.
first.
Your camera takes better
Wait,
than
hang on.
mine.
How did I do your nest? Oh my gosh.
Slither.
Okay, good.
Wait, Adrian, how should she do it?
Okay, so here's the T. And then another T. You guys get the
What did he do?
Yeah.
It doesn't light.
What is this? It's like behind me now. Okay, here's the other
You
E.
made her forget how to spell her name.
And